All right, welcome back guys. On this video, we are going to talk about the Cash App. If you don't know what that is, just be sure to click the description. But actually more specifically on this video, we're gonna show how to cash out if someone has sent you money. So I actually just got paid. I have some money in my Cash App. I'm not gonna remove it all. I like to keep it there if I'm gonna be paying someone, but I'm gonna show you how to withdraw the money from your Cash App if somebody has sent that to you. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna assume that you've already downloaded the Cash App. I'm not gonna walk through that. If you need to download it, you just have to go to the App Store. It'll walk you through it. It's a pretty simple process. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up my app right now. All right, so I'm inside the app right now. And if you saw my other video, you can see that it's a pretty simple functioning app. There's not a lot to it. It's basically just to transfer money around. In order to remove the cash from your Cash App, you have to have a bank account attached to it. So I've already done that, and let me just do a quick overview on how you would add a bank account or transfer a bank account. So what you're gonna do on the home screen is just scroll down to right here. So I have my Chase Bank already attached to it. So I'm going to open that. So there is my Chase debit card and my Chase bank account. So if you want to withdraw the money from your Cash App and put it into your bank, you have to have added in your bank account here. I'm not going to walk through that process. It's pretty easy. Basically what you're going to do is come here. It'll say something like add a bank account. My bank account's already there. You can remove or replace bank. We'll click replace bank. As you see, it has a long list of common bank accounts that people use with the Cash App. You'll just find your bank or other and then just follow the prompts. So you're going to have to enter in your information for this bank in order for it to be attached to the Cash App. So again, I'm not going to go through a full tutorial on that, but that's basically what you need to do. So once you have your bank account attached to the Cash App, you can withdraw the money if someone sent it to you. It's pretty easy to do that. Let's go here, and here is the main screen for the Cash App. As you can see here, it's just here's where your picture would be if you added that. I didn't add that. Here's where the history transactions would be. And the most important right here is this money. So right now, like I said, I just got paid. So I have $1,105 in there. So you just click on that to withdraw. Once you're in this portion of the app, right down here, you can add cash into your account or you can cash out. So I'm gonna go ahead and cash out. Really simple, all you do is just click here, cash out. And then once you're in this part, you can choose how much you wanna cash out. So again, I like to leave money in my Cash App because I use it to pay other things or pay people. So I'm just gonna pull $5 out. If you wanna pull out more than that, so be it. Depends on how much money you have in your Cash App. So I'm just gonna pull $5 out. So I just slide it down to $5. Now, as you can see, this little button right here, you click cash out, boom. And then how would you like to deposit to your bank? Again, that's the bank account that we already used or we've already installed onto the app. You can do standard and that's free, or you can do instant and they charge a fee. It's a percentage of how much you're gonna be pulling out. So if I'm gonna pull $5 out, they're gonna charge me 8 cents. Standard is Tuesday. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and just do instant. So I click that and my thumbprint is attached to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that. So it recognized my thumbprint before it makes any changes, and boom, all of a sudden, $4.92 was instantly deposited to your bank account, to the bank account that I have associated with this app right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip on over to that right now. So now that I've withdrawn $5, so I only have $1,100 in my Cash App right now, let me go ahead and jump over to my bank account. Okay, so here we are in my bank account right now. If you look at the top there, you can see the time, 14:57 or 2:57. So right there, you can see payment received, $4.92. So that was immediate. The money has deposited into my Chase bank account. And then you can see the ending account number up there, so you know that it's true. So let's go ahead and hop back into the Cash App now. Let me close this part down. So here we are back in the Cash App, and if you look at the time there, 14:58. So you know it's all happening in real time right then and there. So that's how you withdraw money from the Cash App and put it into your bank account. So hopefully you liked the video. If so, click thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more videos. And if you're looking for a referral code, be sure to check the description. If that's still available, then once you sign up for Cash App, you get a little bit of money and I get a little bit of money if the promotion's still running. Thanks for watching.